Finally, I made my mind and went with an SSD. I was in two mind to go for HDD or an SSD, but finally I got this. Welcome guys to the channel, and here we are looking at an unboxing of a portable SSD, external SSD from SanDisk. It's an 1 TB of SSD which I bought from Amazon. Let's open and see what's there in the box. So as soon as you open the box, you are greeted with the hard disk itself. Wow, look at the size of it. It is so small, smaller than my palm. Let's keep the disk aside and see what do we have. There's one cable, there's one adapter and some paperwork. The hard disk is compatible with USB 3 and USB 2. You get an USB Type-C to C adapter if you have a laptop with Type-C. You have an adapter for USB-A to USB-C in case you don't have direct USB-C. And there is some paperwork, guys. The main reason I went with the SSD because of two things. One, there is no moving part like HDD, so it is more reliable and it is less power consuming. At the same time, it is much portable than the HDD. So guys, this was a very quick unboxing of 1 TB SSD SanDisk. I'll be using it for a long period of time and will be sharing my review on this. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.